Don't you wish roads were as empty as this public parking lot? Unfortunately, riding with the public, that's not how it works. So I got to pick the mind of crash reconstructionist Nathan Rose, and we're gonna go over some street riding safety tips. Most importantly, this is not a race or a racetrack, so go at your own pace. Entering a corner at a responsible speed and late gives you more room to adjust once inside the corner. Example, taking these corners, I'm not going to use the entire lane, but leave room here for oncoming traffic in case they come over, or a surprise around the corner like a double apex. And when you're approaching the corner, make sure that you get most of your braking and downshifting done before you enter the corner. At a Law Tiger Summit, I was able to sit down with Nathan Rose, and here are some of his tips while you're riding on the street.
My name is Nathan Rose, and I'm an accident reconstructionist. A common scenario that comes up is a vehicle turns left in front of a motorcyclist. That's a lot of my cases. You as a motorcyclist are approaching an intersection. You see that there is a vehicle stopped in the opposing left turn lane. Traveling the speed limit is going to give you the most time to respond to what that opposing driver does if they were to turn in front of you. Position yourself as you're approaching that intersection as far away laterally as you can, because again, that's going to maximize the time I have to respond to that. Have your hand positioned on the front brake lever in a position that you're just ready to brake if you need to. I do ride myself. Despite what I do, it doesn't affect me too much. I certainly am aware of all the things that can go wrong and the things that other drivers might do around me, and I think that makes me a better rider. Doing a weave or any strategy like that, flashing your headlights, it's really about the change that they're noticing. And it's a myth is that motorcycles are hard to see.
Nathan and other experts like this are a great example of resources that Law Tigers has to better your case and make sure that you get the compensation that you deserve should you ever be injured in a motorcycle accident. Mirrors are great, but don't trust them exclusively. And while we're talking about things on your motorcycle, make sure that you stay up to date on your motorcycle's maintenance. This includes having the proper tire pressure, so when you call on your motorcycle, it can perform the way it's supposed to. Motorcycles take up to 18% more space to stop than cars. Do you maybe even flicker your brake light when downshifting so that cars know you're decelerating? Do you ride with your high beam on, even if it's sunny? Or have you even upgraded the bulb to a brighter LED? Are you into wearing high vis or adding reflective elements to your outfit? In traffic, do you maybe ride with a lower gear so that should you need additional power, you're ready to make a quick move? And I'll assume that you know Law Tigers are America's motorcycle lawyers. Give them a call before your insurance company. There are some links in the description on that. My name is Alyssa. I will see you in the next one.